Hi everybody, I'm here to show you about a website called playposit.com. This website takes the traditional flipped classroom and enhances it. When I first started flipping, I always had videos hosted on YouTube and my students watched the videos and took their notes. The problem was, I never had a way to verify that they did the video or that they understood the material, because the only thing I could check was that they copied down notes. They could have copied them from a friend, maybe didn't watch the video. I wanted a new solution. That's when I found PlayPosit. PlayPosit allows me to take my same videos from YouTube and embed multiple choice, short answer, fill in the blank questions within the video to work as a formative assessment tool. So I'm going to show you how to embed the questions first. So from the website, you're going to go to New, and you're going to create a new bulb. These are videos. You need to paste a video URL into the box. This is a video that I just pulled off of YouTube just to use for this video. And you click Add. It'll bring up your video, and it allows you to play the video. Now I will tell you the music is terrible, so I'm going to do a little bit of fast forwarding.
We're done.
So this guy just got finished going through an example. I now want to have a question that pops up that tests whether the students understand it. So I'm going to go to this little waffle, and I'm going to add a question. My favorite for math are either fill in the blank or multiple choice, but as you can see, there's free response, check all that apply, polling surveys. There's all kinds of types of questions that you could use with these videos. So I'm going to do a fill in the blank video. So here's where I'm going to type my equation. I would like them to solve the equation x plus 5 equals 12. But because I want it to be a fill in the blank, I'm going to come down here and they're going to fill in x equals, to insert the blank, I fill in my blank right there. Now, I need to assign an answer to that blank so that the program can grade it. So I know the answer is 7. So I'm going to put 7 and I'm going to click Save. What happens now is when the students play this video, at this point, at 2 minutes and 56 seconds, it'll pop up this question and they will have to solve it. When you're finished putting in all of your questions, you go over here and you click Save and Finish. After your students have finished watching the video, then you want to check on the results. So if you go to classes, and this is going to be one of my classes, and I go to 4th hour and I just randomly choose one of the videos that we've been currently doing, which is chapter 17, I can click on this little guy right here. That shows me the data. What I can see is each student, it shows how long they spent on the video, it shows which questions they got right or wrong, obviously by red and green. It allows them, if you click on this frowny face, it allows them to make a comment. They can also comment within the questions. If you see that a student maybe gave a good explanation as to why they got it wrong, you can actually go in and change the point value for that question and give the students credit back. But what I love is that at the top, I can see exactly how my students did overall on one question, or I can also see for each question, obviously, this was a poor lesson that I need to work on. So this gives you a chance to know what you need to focus on more in class once you have your students back with you. So this was a quick view of some of the basic functions of PlayPosit. Hopefully, if you have questions, feel free to contact me for more information.